Hey guys, I'm Aditi. Welcome back to my channel, The Sublime You. So in this video, I will be reviewing some of the products from the brand Amrutam that I have tried, and amongst them, some products turn out to be extremely beneficial for me, and there are again some products that didn't impress me to that extent. So I will be talking about all of them. But before we start, in case you were not aware, Amrutam is a brand that is famous for its Ayurvedic formulations. You might have come across one of their advertisements. One day I visited their website and I was going through their products, and some of their formulations appeared to be quite promising to me in a way that they are very close to the natural formulations that were practiced in the earlier days, the very traditional recipes they have. But it is a concoction of too many ingredients, which is kind of difficult for us to arrange at home. And so I thought that let me just give those products a try, because of late I have been trying many brands that have very close to natural formulations that appear to be quite promising, and Amrutam is one of them. So without further delay, let's quickly get into the products. Amrutam also offers you trial-sized bottles for some of their very best-seller products, and so you can always start off with the trial-sized bottles, and then if it suits you, only then you can invest your money in a full-size product. So the very first trial-sized product that I had tried from Amrutam is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa. Now this is very different from the concept of spa that you get in parlors and all. In parlors, it just gives you an external shine and external smoothness to the length of your hair, but this is the kind of spa that will not only improve your hair texture, but it is also meant for your scalp. It is also meant to improve your hair growth, to reduce your hair fall and dandruff, and mainly it is meant for the conditioning of the scalp rather than the external part of the hair, rather than the length of the hair. So I found their idea quite promising and I started off with this spa, but the very first experience that I had was kind of disappointing, because the first time I applied this spa on my hair, it is a very wet formulation, and so when I was working it through my hair, then I saw a lot of hairs coming out. So I thought that should I at all continue with this, because already I have this hair fall issue, and just taking all the time to massage in a wet product is just bringing out all the hairs, is even causing me more hair fall. So I was kind of skeptical, and to add to my disappointment, I tried washing it off with some other, I don't remember the brand, but it was a sulfate free shampoo which was not from the brand Amrutam, and trust me, the sulfate free shampoo couldn't even wash away the product completely. And so I thought that, oh my god, firstly, the application of this product is causing me hair fall, and secondly, I'm not being able to wash it off completely. So what is wrong? So I was about to stop using this spa when suddenly I noticed that on the subsequent days of using this spa, I noticed a decrease in my hair loss. So I was like, okay, is it because of the spa? Should I try it once more? And I tried it, but that time I tried washing it off with a sulfate containing shampoo, because I wanted to wash it off very well. So the second time when I used this particular spa, there was a much lesser number of hairs coming out. There was much lesser hair fall while applying the spa, and the hair fall decreased even further after the spa. And as I tried washing it off with the sulfate containing shampoo, it got removed very well. But using a sulfate containing shampoo on a daily basis is not the solution. So what I did is I purchased the Bhringraj hair therapy shampoo from Amrutam, which they have recommended to use along with the spa. So as because the spa is formulated by them, so obviously they are expected to have a shampoo that can wash it off very well and cleanse the hair as a whole. So I tried using these two togetherly in combination. So with the subsequent uses, while I was applying the spa, the number of hairs that were coming out while application and during the wash and post wash kept on decreasing gradually, and I could see a remarkable improvement in just 5 to 6 uses. So I was very much impressed with the spa and the Bhringraj hair therapy shampoo from Amrutam. It could wash off the spa very well, and I think it is not just the spa but a combination of the spa and the shampoo that had caused a remarkable decrease in my hair loss, to the extent that now I have days, like I have seen days where I have lost around 500 hairs post, like when I was combing my hair post the hair wash. And now I have seen days where I have lost like 20 to 30 hairs, just 20 to 30 hairs during the combing after the hair wash. So the improvement is that big. I was very, very impressed. Obviously there are other hair care habits associated with it, like combing your hair very well in a way that you massage the scalp, sun drying your hair, and there are a few other things, but the products that you use matter a lot. I mean, after I broke in these two products, I saw this improvement, and so I would give an 80% credit to these two products alone. Okay, now another product that I hoped would work along with is the Kuntal Care hair malt. If you are not familiar with the concept of malt, it is something that has a texture and consistency like the Chyawanprash, if you have tried that ever. So it is something like that. It is basically a blend of herbs that should be actually consumed in order to yield the benefits. Even though it claims a reduction in the hair loss, when I was taking it just alone without the spa and the shampoo, then I did not see much improvement in my hair loss. My hair loss was as it is, and so I would not give this particular hair malt much credit. Then I started taking it along with the use of the spa and the shampoo, and my hair fall suddenly started decreasing. Even when I stopped taking the malt and was using just the spa and the shampoo, even then my hair loss was quite in control. So I don't think this malt was affecting me a lot. It is just the spa and the shampoo that I feel has decreased my hair loss a lot. So as of now, I guess I have repeated it quite a few times that I was quite impressed with the Kuntal Care hair spa, and so I went back to their website to purchase the full-sized version of the product. But there I came across their new launch, which is the Kuntal Care hair spa enriched with neem. So how this product is different from the regular Kuntal Care hair spa is that it has all the ingredients of the Kuntal Care hair spa, but along with that it is also enriched with the benefits of neem that will help fight dandruff. Now, to be honest, I have almost pretty much the same experience as that of the Kuntal Care hair spa, is that this hair spa also helps in controlling hair fall and improving the overall hair health. But when it comes to dandruff, I don't think that it is very much effective regarding that. The next product, which is the Vanyamrutam body lotion. Now, when I was going through their ingredients list, then I was amazed by such a rich, such a beautiful formulation of their body lotion, and they recommend that it can be used on the face and body both. So I immediately purchased this particular body lotion and had really high expectations about this, but to my utter disappointment, neither did it suit on my facial skin, nor did it bring much improvement when I applied it on the body skin. Initially, I was very much, allured by their rich formulation, and also as because they say that I can use it post the face cleanup. So I tried it using on the face, and this product gave a lot of burning sensation on the face. Now they say that a little bit of burning sensation while using this product is normal, but I don't think it was limited to the normal level. It was a little bit more than that. Instead of improving my overall skin, I think it gave me mini breakouts. So I wasn't very much impressed using it on my facial skin, and when I tried using it on my body skin, then instead of giving me that rich and heavy moisturization, it is a very water-based formulation that does not keep your skin moisturized for long, and it has a very strong smell. Like it is a very pan masala kind of smell, which is very, very strong. And some people might find it overpowering. Even though the smell is not bad, it is a beautiful smell, but it might be overpowering for some people, I must say. And another thing is that I tried using it post the waxing phase also, where you tend to get, those minor bruises or those minor breakouts post waxing your hands and all. And I tried using it then, but there also it did not, just make the healing process faster or something. It didn't help either ways. So I don't think it served well as a face lotion or a body lotion, and hence I won't recommend this particular product. Now moving on to the last product that I've tried, Nadi Saundarya Malt. Now this particular Nadi Saundarya Malt is particularly meant for the overall improvement of a woman's health, which refers to any of the problems that can be directly or indirectly related to the hormonal imbalances, be it the menstrual cycle, be it some skin issues, or be it some hair issues. Anything that can be related to the hormonal changes, it refers to the improvement of those problems by this particular Nadi Saundarya Malt. So I started taking it. I haven't taken this for quite a long time, but I have taken it for like a month, and based on that I can tell you my experience. I have known of some products that I don't know how they actually work, but what happens is that on the particular day you want your period to occur, you just take a single dose or 2 doses of that particular product, and you get your period on the day you want it to be. So this is not one of those products. If you are expecting it to work like that, then no, it does not work like that. You have to be consistent with this particular product, and it will, with time, over time, it will improve the regularity in your menstrual cycle. It will improve the overall hormonal balance, and also another improvement that it brings along with is that earlier during my menstrual cycles, earlier during my periods, I used to get a lot of menstrual cramps, but with the regular consumption of this particular product, the amount of pain that I used to experience during my periods have significantly decreased. And coming to the regularity, it has regularized my periods to some extent, but again, it is not so particularly on time at the spur of the moment. No, it is not that improved yet, but I have taken it for just a little more than a month, and so I can't say much about it. But yes, I will continue taking these products because I have started to see improvements, and so I will stick to it and hope for more improvements. And So that is it for today, guys, and let me know if you have tried any of the Amrutam products and what is your experience with that, or if you have any questions regarding any of the products that I have mentioned in this particular video. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. And that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.